is her favorite song? 5, 4, 3. Okay, dapat tindog na yun.
All my life.
What's that tapos ba?
All my life, my America.
All my life by America? Unsang tuiga?
60s.
60s na to, ta? Kinsay na-compose?
Ikaw.
Ako'y na-compose? Kinsay ngalan sa ilahang member? Okay, congratulations! The answer is correct. So dapat, imuha ni siyang katahon. Ha? No, akapila lang. One line lang. Sa all by myself. Ano? All my life.
All my life.
Dapat na-enjoy ka ng flavor.
Night feelings.
All my life.
Sige, good! Hindi ka kakakuha sa mong prize.